Hello everybody, we're at the Legoville 2026 presidential debate between Republican candidate Cronald Crimp and Democracy is Good candidate JD Vance. Mr. Crimp, why should people vote for you?
Because we are gonna make, we're gonna lower taxes for everybody, and we're gonna give everyone a lot of money for free, and we are absolutely going to be stuffing the pockets of little orphan children with tons of dollars. Money, money, money.
I say you should vote me because I say that you make policies that are not bad policies like this freaking dummy and Cartman. My policies will not be giving out free handouts for no reason.
We want Crimp! We want Crimp! We want Crimp!
Mr. Crimp, it seems like people do not want to vote for you because your policies are unethical. What should we do?
Shoot him!
You're gonna make Legoville great again.
News, Crimp's opponent, JD Vance, dies after getting fatally shot in the head. We are so sad, but... Okay, now that I'm president, it's time to execute some people.
Mr. Crimp, we have a mother who wants to sacrifice her child.
Oh, that's nice. We can take your money too. Okay, send in the child. Okay, so you children clearly haven't paid your taxes. Is this true?
Please don't execute us, Mr. Crimp. Yeah, please, we're just innocent little orphans. Please.
The blue one can go to the coal mines, while the green one can be executed. Open fire.
Kill my brother.
Now, kid, it is your job to get to the coal mines.
Oh, okay. I'll pay my taxes.
Oh, why does nobody want to pay their taxes? Ugh. Execute them.
Why is your return?
Where's the taxes?
What?
Okay, we're gonna shoot
Hey, where'd the family go? And where's those taxes? Oh, go faster, you mine is so slow.
Stop hitting me, please.
You know what? Kill him. Bro, I'm so bored of killing people. Where are all my citizens going?
Sir, there's a family who's not paying their taxes. What should we do with them? Nah, bro, blow up their house.
Can you do everything dishes?
No, we're gonna get fired.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go to Crimp's base and we are going to ambush him and shoot him, and we need to take him out because he's killing families and forcing kids to work in coal mines.
Yeah, we should kill him. Actually, let's free all the hostages that were in his basement. I hear he has even my little dog in his basement.
I heard that he has a little stash of gummy bears in his pocket.
Yeah, let's go.
I think I hear someone, maybe we should kill him. What the heck? I hate my dad. Can I get paid for my money? What the heck? Where is he?
I think we killed him. Wait a minute! Tell my wife and kids that... Oh, I'm so thirsty. You woman, get me a beer! Execute her.
Okay, little kid, you're gonna have to choose between the 5 peasants or your own mother.
What do I choose? What do I choose? Mom, what should I choose? Honey, I think you should save the 5 people and run over me, but I don't want to lose you, Mom. Please. I'll save the 5 people. Please forgive me.
Nah, bro, that's so boring. You know, just run over to 5 people.
Wait.
Everyone died.
Okay, guys, it's time to attack him.
There's 40 shillings.
Nah, bro, this is so boring. Like, we need to execute more people to irritate me, bro.
Not if we can stop it. It's 5 against 1, Crimp. What are you gonna do?
Nah, bro, where's my dog? Come out, sweetie.
Oh my gosh. Finally some entertainment, but it's not enough. Okay, that's it. Let's just blow up the season more kids so that way people can
Oh, hello, Mr. Crimp. I heard that you were going to lower the prices of everything at the supermarket. Is that true, like in your campaign?
Nah, bro, you guys haven't really paid your taxes in a while. Like,
What? What's that mean? Is that a gun?
Bro, maybe if they just paid their taxes, bro. Like, come on. What the frick? Did you pay your taxes? No, please, I'm poor. Give me some money. I need the money.
What the heck?
Okay, I need to go because I am so tired, bro. Like, all this killing, enslaving, murdering, kidnapping, taking hostage, blowing up, and destroying entire families' lives is making me kind of tired. So I'm just gonna go in my car and leave.
I'm so tired of Crimp just killing people. It's time to kill him.
Oh, pay your taxes.
Da, da, da,